Hi everybody. Hi, this is Tanushri from Winnings 3 going live today. So, this is our first ever live and it's nice to be with all of you today. Hi Prashank. So, we are going live today with Suru Kapoor. Hi Sonam, how are you? Hey Vidushi, thanks for joining in. So, as you all know, that Winnings 3 is a forum which is an online community on Facebook as well as on Insta now. And we believe in women empowerment. So, we promote women and women owned brands in our own ways. And it is very, empowering in itself, women owned brands. So, in that series, we are today, being joined by Suru
Hi.
Kapoor. Survi, hi. Hi. It's really nice
Very
having you
simple.
on board.
Come again?
It's very nice having you on board.
Same here to see you because it was very difficult to recognize you when you told me like you met me in Vasme. So I could not actually, I went through your pictures, but I could not get the face like who was the one. And now I can say, connect.
Great time, great. So you remember me?
Now I remember you. And how are you? Tell me.
I'm great. I'm great. Are you able to listen to me? Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible to me.
Right, right. So, Shurbi, welcome to Winnings 3. I was telling all the audiences who've joined that, you know, what Winnings 3 is. So, Winnings 3 is an online community which promotes women. And, in the wake of it, we are joined here today by you. And you are quite an influencer in yourself, you know. You're an entity, a
Thank you so
brand in
much.
your own self, you know, having 26,000 or more followers on Instagram. So you are an Instagram superstar for us. So
Thank you
thank
so
you so much. And, I really hope that you're keeping well, Shurbi, because the times are so dark, you know, with Corona all around.
Well,
You
you
know.
can
Hi,
understand
hi,
from my
Nomad Shreya.
you can understand from my face only that I am fully enjoying my lockdown period because this was the time which
Absolutely.
I was looking since long. Been working means morning till evening and been traveling in two boats together. It was very difficult for me to have my family time. And my
Right.
whole things are being scattered all over India. मतलब एक अगर इंडिया में जैसे दिल्ली में बैठा है तो दूसरा कहीं
Huh.
पे देहरादून में और तीसरा जोधपुर में है. So we like
Uh-oh.
tried before actually lockdown happened. We made it a point कि 31st तक दिल्ली वैसे ही बंद है. So let's move to Jodhpur. My
Right.
elder is posted there. और coincidentally जब हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुंचे Saturday, Sunday को we had the Prime Minister's speech to go. So उसमें पता चला कि now we are locked down till April. April के बाद पता
Oh.
चला अच्छा मई. अब मई के बाद so we have enjoyed this time because all the siblings are
Yeah. Yeah, nothing that can help at this situation except being positive, and I can see that in your
together.
posts. You're absolutely positive there. You know, all colorful, vibrant, very very beautiful posts that you keep posting. So thank you so much for coming and joining us, Surbhi. It's really nice having you here. So Surbhi, you are a winning spree in the whole sense of it. You know, you have been a traveler, a lawyer. You know, कुछ और बाकी है तो आप खुद ही बता दो. Please, tell the audiences what you are.
So, besides being the lawyer, I run my own company, which helps the startups to get the funding and
Okay.
investors. So, we keep doing events time to time. We were also having an event which was planned in April, but due to the coronavirus COVID-19, we are like not having it, and we have postponed it till October or November, or might be next year. Be-
Okay.
Behind that, I am like a very social animal. I party a lot. I travel solo. So I have done various tracks in India. I guess if people might have heard of Chadar track, Everest Base Camp. So I have done all those tracks. And then I write also poetries at times, full of romanticism, though romance is very far off in my life, but I feel like romance within you should be always alive, so that you feel very lively in your life. So this
Wow.
way I keep like balancing my life and moving from one track to another, another to third, and that's how I keep maintaining the positive attitude in life. Because that's, if you're not positive in life, you cannot go further. And
Okay.
to have that positivity, you need to have something going very live with you. Means it could be any way. Some people love partying every day, some people love writing, some people love traveling. So you should have something or the other. The child inside
Right.
you should never die. Means
Yeah,
if you have
something to keep us busy actually. Yeah.
actually very
Yeah.
important. Means if you
Yeah.
have that thing that is making you to trigger up each day. Means when you get up from your bed in the morning, so there should not be like यार क्यों उठना है यार ऐसा नहीं. Now I have so many things lined up for me, and how should I plan them? Plan them so that I have my very fruitful day to end off. And when you go to the bed at night, then you should be always thankful that I have such a pleasant day to go. And now there is something
Right.
new positive which is coming tomorrow for me. So that's like something else
Right.
is waiting for me. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. True, true. We should treat every day as an opportunity.
Absolutely. Now,
Yeah.
some people
Yeah.
are thinking about this time, like we are stuck in the lockdown, and when are we able to go out? Like we would be partying out, we would be going out to see what is happening, what is not. So why should we crib about it? Means it's been a very wonderful opportunity that has been given by the nature itself to us. The nature was knocking since long on us that भाई थम जाओ थम जाओ थम जाओ. और दिल्ली वालों को तो वैसे ही मतलब हमेशा दिवाली के बाद एक अल्टीमेटम मिलता है कि यार अब रुक जाओ. But people don't understand that. And now see, means nature is reviving in its own style. We can see
True.
like the clear sky every day. The sparrow birds which were like lost somewhere are now back. Means every morning I could see on my terrace the small sparrow birds are there. They come over there. They it's like reviving in own way. So rather than tripping upon that part, if we start taking it in a positive way, कि हम लोग कहते थे कि हमें घर वालों के साथ टाइम नहीं मिलता है, हम ये नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि हम अपने लिए कब टाइम निकालें. हमें ये चीजें प्लान करनी है, मुझे ये करना था, मुझे नेटफ्लिक्स देखना था. So why can't we do that all things now? Means we can take it in a way that we have got a long vacation to go,
Right.
just the way that how we see it. And then people
Absolutely.
wanted to, like some people love to cook, they were never getting that time that hum ye bana le wo kar le. So it's a very good
Yeah.
time. I mean, we can just utilize it in a way we want to. It's just the way
Yeah.
that how we look into it, how we see the perspective out of it. So that's
Yeah. Absolutely. And, to be honest, even I have been cooking a lot and I, hardly used to go to the kitchen. So, aajkal main jati hu and I'm enjoying it. So, that's there. Everybody is, somehow finding solace in the activities they actually avoided. But that is, something which is giving us that kind of peace. हमको involved रख रहा है और we are actually doing a lot of things which actually is keeping us positive. So,
exactly.
yeah. So, Surbhi, you mentioned that you own a company. So, what company is it? It's a law firm?
No, no, no. It's not a law firm. It's an
Okay.
IT company. We works
Oh,
for
okay.
startup. So my company name is Markup Corporates, and there are like
Okay.
two partners. So there is another friend of mine. So we both run together that company, and we do events for startups. And
Okay.
we try to get them funding. Like if any startup have their idea or they want to they are not able to get the funding out somewhere or the other. They are looking upon the investor. So we
Hmm.
having the investors with us, it's sort of an incubation that we do.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
way we try to promote the startups which are somewhere or the other with very innovative ideas. They have something or the other new applications to go in the market, but due to the lack of funds or might be lack of some or the other reasons, they are not able to just come and launch themselves into the market. We help them.
Hmm.
And then we
That's
also
really
work,
nice.
and then we also work upon the blockchain technology,
Oh, that's interesting.
which
That's
is like
interesting.
nowadays a very hot
In
topic to
thing.
talk about
Yeah, it's an in
because
thing. Very trendy.
people think that China is somewhere or the other planning one currency all over the world, one currency, one world.
Hmm.
So blockchain is somewhere or the other to play a very important role in it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you're well versed with blockchain and the cryptocurrency and other things.
Not well versed, I would say, because I don't come from the IT background. So it's
Right.
my partner who explains me everything that how we are
Ah,
dealing into because I'm just a baby in that field and I
right.
started my company hardly like 2 years back and
Okay.
I'm learning and I'm trying to grab more and more out of it. So it's like
Okay.
he becomes the first place when we have to talk about the blockchain, and I become the first place when we have to talk about startups. So that way we
Right.
have categorized our work and we try to
Right.
balance between that. Means it's like we two are running parallelly with the help of each
Right.
other.
Blockchain का तो पता नहीं, but for the event funding, I'll definitely touch base with you now. It's really
Absolutely,
nice to know.
absolutely.
Yeah.
We were having
Yeah.
such
Yeah.
a even to go for it. It was somewhere or the other. We were
Yeah.
having funding to go for 2.5 CR, and then we had
Ah.
Robert
Okay.
Kiyosaki was coming to
Mm-hmm.
our event to launch his book in India for the first
Okay.
time.
Okay. Okay.
That way it was a very huge event to go, but probably
Mm-hmm.
it didn't happen because of this. So might be by the end of this year or next year starting, we are planning to relaunch it.
Okay, okay. And in all of this, all that you've mentioned, how do you also pacify your traveling lust? I'm sure right now you're locked down, which for a traveler in itself is a punishment. But then, yes, when you used to travel, how often did you travel amongst all this that you're also managing?
See, I have my home is posted in Jodhpur. My brother is in
Okay.
Ahmedabad, and my hometown is in Dehradun. I myself put up in Delhi. So
Ah.
once in the month, I used to travel any of the places, and it's with me like I have made my plans in such a way that I'll only work
Mm-hmm.
for 22 days, and rest
Okay.
8 days belongs to me. And
Ah.
he is
Okay.
with my partner, like he works for 22 days, and 8 days belongs to him. So we
Okay.
like try to balance it out like कि वीकेंड भी आ गया और एक दो हमने छुट्टी प्लान कर ली और निकल गए कहीं पे.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so जैसे कि अभी my last travel was to Dehradun only because my sibling was there in the town. So हम देहरादून
Mm-hmm.
गए, देहरादून से ही हमने आगे प्लान कर लिया और हम आगे रिजॉर्ट चले गए. चक्रौता
Mm-hmm.
is one place, so we traveled
Okay.
there. तो हम ऐसे ही होते हैं कि
Okay.
जब भी गाड़ी उठाई हम प्लान नहीं करते हैं कुछ भी और बस निकल गए.
Okay. Okay.
When the lockdown happened, I
That's
went to winter spiti. Yeah, you were saying something?
acha. Yeah, I was saying that even I had gone to Goa, quite a few days
Nice.
back, Feb May. Yeah. So that was the last trip that I had. After that, we were locked down here. मुझे लगता है हम गोवा में लॉकडाउन हो जाते अच्छा होता.
Thank God you
यहाँ
are
पे.
not locked down in Goa because one of my friend is locked down in Goa. और उस
Are you
बेचारे
talking about Joyjeet?
हाँ जॉयजीत
Yeah. I know
उनकी
he's locked down with his family.
उनकी बहुत बुरी हालत हो गई है. ही इज सेइंग यार अब तुम्हें गोवा ना अभी मतलब 1-2 साल तो सोचूंगा रीप्लान करने के लिए.
बट वो लोग तो घर में ही कैद है, दे आर कैद इन दी होटल एक्चुअली, कहीं और जा
I
भी नहीं पा रहे हैं.
know.
They're having gala time. I keep seeing their posts also. Acha, Surbhi, back to you. So, when did you decide on Instagram? Instagram is the in thing now. So, how did Instagram work for you? Because for many, it does not. So is it that a picture speaks 1,000 words for you? Is there something different? How is Instagram, how are you using Instagram to influence people, and how do you have so many followers? Can you throw some light to people who are watching this right now so that, they also know that how to use Instagram properly and gain followers as well as gain popularity? That's the
See,
session about also today.
I won't say that Instagram was something which I planned it over. So I used to like dress up every day and go to the work. I was working in a law firm. So that time it was like black and white when you are heading to court. And once you are not heading to court, so it's like colorful clothes to go. And I'm a big time shopaholic.
Okay.
Big time.
Okay.
So my very good friend, he told me, यार तू इतने अच्छे से ड्रेसअप होती है, इतनी शॉपिंग करती है, तू ऐसा क्यों नहीं करती कि इंस्टाग्राम पे अपनी पिक्चर्स डालना शुरू कर. एंड आई वाज सो लेथार्जिक. मतलब पूरा आप सुबह से लेकर रात तक काम करो और उसके बाद आप सोचो कि आप पोस्ट डालो. नॉट माय कप ऑफ. एंड ही केप्ट मी लाइक पोस्टिंग अगेन एंड अगेन कि तू लिखती इतना अच्छा है, तू ड्रेसअप करती है, पिक्चर्स क्लिक कराती है, सो व्हाई नॉट. एंड देन वन फाइन डे ही टोल्ड मी टू like post in front of it. I got good likes. Then चलो कभी हो गया कि once in the week, twice in the week I kept posting. I saw like कि आपकी engagement बढ़ रही है धीरे धीरे. But जैसे ही मैंने जैसे post करना बंद किया तो फिर आपके followers गिरने शुरू हो जाते. So
Oh.
then it's like people start getting a habit of it. जैसे suppose अगर मैं एक दिन yoga post डाला, ठीक है, तो people will expect कि what is coming next on it. So people start raising their expectations bar on you. Secondly, it depends कि आप किस field में हो. जैसे कि my personal life is very different and my professional life is very different. So if somebody sees my Instagram account, nobody can judge upon it. Like I am a lawyer as well as an entrepreneur. So people think that I
Yeah.
do some sort of a modeling, some sort of a fashion thing, and I'm engaged in
Yeah.
it. But it's
You
not
look a
that.
fashionista. Yeah.
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 So I keep that part completely out of it. So, and I'm a big time party animal. So when you keep going to the parties, then you have pictures you post on. So this way, I started building up a circle around it. Second, the content matters a lot. What do you post on your Instagram? Like suppose if you post a picture which is not like that flashy, that means very clear with the pixels, you won't get that likes on your pictures and the engagement to go on it. And secondly, the hashtags which you use. Hashtags have to play a commendable role. Suppose if you're putting
Okay.
up a picture of a travel and you post the hashtags fashion blogger, fashion, Delhi fashion, means something like this, which has something to do with fashion or some other thing, then you won't get that engagement to go on your page as if you post a picture with the travel or something with the nature, then you comment and you put the hashtags which has to do something with the nature itself. That shows people who are doing something or the other in the nature only. Then it's try to bring up your engagement on the higher note. You will try more engagement, more people looking onto it, and that's how your bar keep on increasing. And try to
Okay.
be good with the picture quality. Picture quality matters a lot. The content has a
Okay.
big role to play with it. And whatever
Okay.
you post, like every person does not have the same engagement on the same time. Like suppose I have my time, I post somewhere around 9 and 10 in the morning. So I have a very good engagement to go on that time. But on the same time, my sister has a page. She posts on that time, she won't get that good engagement because she's a doctor. She has somewhere or the her engagement to go somewhere around in the evening. So whenever she posts her like data, she posts in the evening. So she gets more engagement on that time. So time also plays a very important role. So once you start your page, try to post on each time in the starting and see on which time you're getting more engagement on your page. So few days
Okay.
or few types thing, it goes as a practical trial note for you. And once you get that understanding, like how people are connecting, how what people are looking out of you, then start posting on that particular interval. Use proper hashtags. What is the maximum reach of each hashtag which you are posting? Do that. And especially like suppose I visited Leh. So try to put the hashtags and like connect the people who are of that particular area. Like suppose you went to Leh, so put Leh diaries rather than you are sitting in Delhi and posting that picture. That does not matter. It matters like where the picture was shoot, what was shoot, and what you are trying to convey out of that picture. So that way you need to like synchronize the whole scenario. What are you trying? There is a people think it's very easy job to work on Instagram and go out of it. Means it's not that. You need to proper like look upon. First you click the picture, then you edit it, then you see the time on which you have to post it. Then the hashtag work upon it, and then the people who are tagged in it. So this process, like how you go for it. And once you post the
Okay.
picture, then try to make it on your story as well. That so that every person whosoever is following you, it won't come on the very latest feed of theirs. So you need to put it as a story in the initial days so that
Okay.
everyone whosoever sees your story would be able to click on that post and then go and get a look over that post. So that's how
Okay.
you try to synchronize each and everything simultaneously.
Okay. Okay.
You won't
So,
believe. I'll just stop you in a while. You won't
yeah,
believe.
yeah,
Before the lockdown, I was least active.
right.
Means I was active in my way, but not that way active as the engagement is required over. So as the lockdown happened, I somewhere or the other has gone very good engagement in my post because now I'm totally villa. सुबह भी पोस्ट करो शाम को भी पोस्ट करो जब मन आया पिक्चर क्लिक की पोस्ट कर दी so now people have started looking at my pictures and I have started getting very good engagement out of it and this is like something
Right.
now I myself has understood कि जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि कंटेंट मैटर करता है तो एक्चुअली वो
Right.
कंटेंट मैटर करता है.
Right, right, right. So the key is you said hashtags. You know, that's one thing. Put the
Hashtags.
stories on the story board and also, you know, the correct context of the content. You know, the content matters. And the pictures should also be of good pixel quality, right? So these are the four do's. Now you mentioned hashtags. So I wanted to understand, you know, how do we understand what hashtags to be used by which particular, brand? For example, there are multiple businesses also who are on Instagram these days. So, you know, how do the understanding comes of the hashtags? Like you are doing fashion blogs. Somebody else can, like you said, your sister was in, like she's a doctor. So she might be interested in health. So how does the understanding and differentiation come in picture?
How it goes, like suppose the hashtag when I put my picture, so it's like suppose I'm wearing a sari. I'll give you example with that way. So I'll just write a sari. So there are ample of sari hashtags which come over. Okay, so you need to understand which is the right hashtag. Like there is sari love, sari draping. I guess sari love would be more appropriate rather than sari draping. So first comes the hashtag sari love. Then you have wrapped the sari. Then you write again sari. So sari draping and sari blouse design. So I guess sari draping is the second hashtag to go for it. Because blouse design is something which you are not trying to show it off. It is sari draping. The way you have draped the sari, that matters the most. So this way, let
Okay.
you categorize. Like suppose if I'm wearing the Indo-Western, so I'll try to put Indo-Western hashtags like ethnic wear, incredible India, because I am trying to mix the fusion of both Indian also with so that's why I'm trying to say that it is my incredible India which I'm talking about. So this way
Right.
you try to connect through the picture. Like suppose
Right.
standing in a snow, so rather than posting this thing that natural beauty and summer vibes or spring vibes, I'll say snow clad, snowman, snow, snowing, snow cover. So this way we need to connect to that picture. Like suppose if I'm wearing this jewelry today, so this is like as silver jewelry, antique jewelry, raw oxidized jewelry. So I myself know the content of this picture. Now suppose if I post this way and post this only the part, so I'll just try to emphasize on this thing more because otherwise
Hmm.
there's nothing else on my face which people would be
Hmm.
interested into. If I'm
Hmm.
trying
Hmm.
to focus on this and trying to grab the attention on my picture, so this
Hmm.
would
Hmm.
try to work upon it.
Right. So we have a lot of followers who've joined in. Most of them, I am sure, are Surbhi's followers also. So, guys, anybody who wants to ask a question to Surbhi, we have her today here live. So, hi everybody. Thank you for the lovely comments there pouring in, and thank you for watching our video. In case you have any questions for Surbhi, do address. You're on the Winnings 3 forum, and we are addressing Surbhi Kapoor, Suru Kapoor, your famous Suru Kapoor from Instagram. So the next thing I wanted to ask you, Surbhi, is I told you already that there are multiple businesses, who are there on Insta as well. So can Insta be used for making money? That's a question that
Absolutely.
people.
Absolutely.
Right,
It could be. You
right.
need to have a right
So,
channel to approach it. Means you need to have right connections
right.
and right channel to go for it. So, as if I talk about winning history, so there are like ample of women who would be connected with you and who are looking forward to connect with you. But they need to
Absolutely.
understand how and which way do they can connect with you and how they can be getting a source out of it to earn. Like suppose
Hmm.
if people approach me, so there are certain brands which keep on approaching me time to time. But it's upon me
Hmm.
that which brand do I choose upon. Because every
Hmm.
time I cannot be shooting upon it. So like there is a sari brand which approaches me and there is a bikini brand which approaches me simultaneously. So it's upon me
Hmm.
which brand do I choose upon. So that way.
Hmm.
And again I'll come back to the same thing. It could be a source of
Hmm.
income if you
Hmm.
have a right way and right approach with the right content to post on your gram. Until and unless you
Hmm.
have a right content, because
Hmm.
they on which basis would they give you the work? They need to see
Hmm.
something or the other out of it. Like
Hmm.
suppose you are doing something related with your NGO event, I talk about. So
Hmm.
you need to put something on your page which talks about your NGO, that what have you done in the past and what are you doing presently at present, which is
Hmm.
somewhere or the other impacting the society. So if
Hmm.
particularly XYZ person sees your account and he or
Hmm.
she feels like this person is actually making some difference to the society and it could be something very boom to the society again, then that
Hmm.
person would definitely approach you. Because see, if you are having something very good image and you means anybody or the any person feels that you are somewhere or the other bringing the impact which is
Hmm.
somewhere making difference to people around you, then definitely it
Hmm.
becomes a source of income for you.
Okay. Okay. So you mean to say that brands will approach us, and then it's upon us to choose which brand, and these brands bring the money on board. Is that true? Is that correct? Is that my the understanding correct? Okay. Okay. And
Like suppose
how?
I'll just tell you
Right.
one thing.
Right.
Nowadays,
Right.
sustainable development is something very in the market. Sustainable.
Right.
So
Right.
whosoever like, are connected with you on your board on a winning
Hmm.
history, and they
Hmm.
are working something related to sustainable clothing, sustainable things in the market, they
Right.
should have
Eco-friendly.
their page. They should
Right.
have their page, and they should try
Right.
to promote each and everything what they are doing and what they are trying to bring in the market through
Right.
sustainable things. Because there is a
Right.
hashtag also, support local, and during the quarantine period people have
Hmm.
started doing this thing. Like I myself and my sister who is being a government employee, so
Hmm.
उससे organization maybe they rather than opting for the mask which is like वो N93 वाला, they have opted for
Hmm.
the masks which are made out of the cloth. So there is a local
Hmm.
vendor out there, उसने
Hmm.
एक मास्क खुद लगाया हुआ था जब वो वहां पे उनके ऑफिस में गया. So they said कि
Hmm.
where did you get this from? तो उसने कहा मैंने खुद घर पे बनाया. So they gave him the
Hmm.
order कि आप हमारे लिए 500 मास्क बना के ले आओ. So
Hmm.
everybody in their organization supported it,
Hmm.
and it's very minimal to go. The same way
Hmm.
Tata is doing the same thing. So this way, if anybody who is into the sustainable market and look forward to go for it, I strongly support that person that they should come in front and they want me to promote their brand. I'll be more than happy to promote them because
Absolutely.
sustainable is something which is gonna be on a boom after the lockdown is over, and we support this. Like when I have my NGO also who work upon this only. So we support that and we support the local artists whosoever comes and try seek help from us. And I also go for the same thing.
Right. So, Surbhi, there are many people already on board with Winnings 3 who are also making these kind of masks, especially self-help groups organized by women, run by women who are making these masks, and they are, all under the government also. Like they are doing it as per the government instructions also. So, there are many such people. So, I would request you to be connected with us so that, I can also pass on some connections to you who can
Absolutely.
definitely yeah, so probably it will be of help to them as well as you.
Means anybody
So
whosoever wants me to promote them on my page or on
absolutely,
my platform, so I would be more than happy to go for it because I look
absolutely,
forward that
that's a
these
wonderful
people are the
message.
ones who are being exploited more and they are not paid as much they work upon it.
So, on that note, Surbhi, I think we've already reached 6 o'clock. So the session was from 5:30 to 6,
Absolutely.
and it was really nice having you today on board. So, at the end, I would like to thank all of you who have joined in us today, all Surbhi's followers, and as well as please do also follow Winnings 3 and be connected with Winnings 3 so that we get to interview such women on Winnings 3 platform, and you get to see us live. So should be any message that you want to convey to the people before we end, as well as for Winnings 3?
Winning history, I give my like warm wishes, and I would love to be connected and look forward to all the women who want to grow in their life. Secondly,
Absolutely.
during this lockdown period, be positive and try to do the things you always kept on dreaming about, rather than cribbing about this thing that कि यार कब खुलेगा हम कब जाएंगे बाहर और कब पार्टी और दारू पी पाएंगे. So rather than stop thinking about it and enjoy this lockdown period because might be this is the last chance that we have
Absolutely.
as an individual for ourselves, and because as soon as this lockdown gets over everybody would be back again to their same hustle bustle life. So enjoy to the
Absolutely.
fullest, be safe, be positive. That's what I
Yeah.
look upon, and follow
Thank you
winning
so
history
much.
and
Thank you. Thank you.
support women because that's the something which I really look upon. जो भी
Yeah.
कहीं कैसे भी किसी भी तरीके से एक औरत को सपोर्ट करे और उसे आगे लाने में मदद करे, I just salute that person. That's what I do.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली
Thank
ये
you so
मतलब
much for
जज्बा
your
सब में
time
होना चाहिए.
and being me on the board.
थैंक
Lovely
यू सो
connecting
मच
with
Shruti
you.
for coming. Yeah,
Bye.
thank you for your jazba. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye Shruti. Bye.
Bye.